Signature Global is India's #1 affordable housing company who emphasizes on creating values of reliability, responsibility and global standards. We outlined our vision for better India of tomorrow with a mission of making India affordable and Har Parivar Ek Ghar, a home for every family. We are ISO 9001-2015 certified company. Let's welcome the Millennia 2, an IGBC Gold rated and RERA registered project. We are committed to deliver 20,000 units by 2020. Designed by Padma Bhushan architect Hafiz Contractor. An area that is thriving with convenience and facilities. The future of modern lifestyle is here. Let's experience it. Discover unparalleled connectivity from NH8 Hero Honda Chowk and Dwarka Expressway within few kilometers, and it's on Pataudi Road. Further to that, it has proximity to other landmark locations like 1 kilometer from Sector 910, 11 kilometer from Delhi via NPR, 12 kilometer from Mehroli Gurgaon Road, 14 kilometer from Indira Gandhi International Airport, and 18.2 kilometer from Sector 21 Dwarka Metro Station. Travel hassle-free to your daily destination. Enter a community that offers you all kind of amenities that you could ever ask for. A grand entrance announces your arrival at one of the most prestigious address in this part of the city. Feels the way of goodness as you enters through the lobby. Presenting you a home that you have always dreamt of. Designed with perfection, every corner has abundant flow of light and air. Life here is celebration every day. Aesthetically designed landscape and greenery, emphasizing on your social needs of community living reflexology and senior citizens sitting is standout feature at the Millennia 2. Welcome to this picture-perfect world of pure happiness, where everyone can find their own peace of mind. Where your children will grow up laughing and playing with under secured boundary. After all, we understand that home is where you home your talent. Let today starts on a happy note. A home that truly meant to be your address of pride. Cricket pitch for net practice. The iconic architecture of building elevates you to transform your life. Even more fun at the dynamic sports corner at the half basketball court. Running around the 4-meter jogging track now will be a day-to-day activity. Unveil child in you and enjoy peace of full living. 50,000 square feet of open landscaped gardens at the widespread greens provides refreshing environment for residents of all ages. Live fresh, live green, live long. Welcome to Signum. Every necessity of day-to-day life to the latest fashion is available right here. The in-house commercial center, designed to attract the best footfall and the best global brands all under one complex. Food courts above, a welcome break from daily life. Life truly evolves in the millennia too.